Why is crypto down today? August 15, 2025. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Ethereum, market. As prominent institutions and figures invest, their financial stake is tied to Bitcoin's success, turning them into natural advocates who drive a self-reinforcing cycle of education and adoption, says Kyle Chassé, founder of MV Global. Journalist, Fadilpašić. Journalist, Fadilpašić. About author. Seed specializes in writing factual and informative articles to help the public navigate the ever-changing world of crypto. He has extensive experience in the blockchain industry, where he has served. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 1 hour ago. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. The crypto market is down today, with more than 90 of the top 100 coins turning red over the past 24 hours. In this time, the cryptocurrency market capitalization has decreased by 2.4% to $4.12 trillion. At the same time, the total crypto trading volume is at $267 billion, the highest it's been in days. TLDR. Crypto market turns red, with most of the top 100 coins going down. BTC fell 2.4% and ETH is down 2.3%, trading at $119,043 and $4,647, respectively. Bitcoin surpassed $250,000 by the end of the year. In the short term, BTC could test the $124,600 liquidation zone, or it may fall to $115,000. Institutional demand remains strong. US ETH ETFs recorded positive flows of $639.61 million on Thursday. US BTC spot ETFs saw inflows of $230.93 million. Regulatory clarity is boosting the crypto market rally and institutional interest. Crypto market sentiment suggests rising caution as investors await further signals. Crypto winners and losers. At the time of writing, all top 10 coins per market capitalization have decreased over the past 24 hours. Bitcoin, BTC, fell 2.4% in a day, now trading at $119,043, back to the level from 2 days ago. At the same time, Ethereum, ETH, dropped 2.3%, now trading at $4,647. Dogecoin, Doge, saw the largest decrease in this category, falling 6% to $0.2307. Cardano ADA follows with a drop of 4.9% to the price of $0.9524. The smallest drop is Binance Coin, BNB, S1%, now changing hands at $852. As for the top 100 coins, 6 of them recorded increases. The highest among these is Provenance Blockchain, Hash, having jumped 7.8% to $0.0288. LEO token, LEO, is next, with a rise of 3.3%, trading at $9.60. On the other hand, Bonk and WorldCoin, WLD, fell the most, dropping 8.6% each to the price of $0.00002456 and $1.02, respectively. Meanwhile, U.S. crypto-related policies remain foggy. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent pivoted from his earlier comments that the U.S. would not acquire BTC for its strategic Bitcoin reserve. While initially commenting on Tuesday that the government will use confiscated Bitcoin for the reserve and will not be liquidating it, he walked back the statement later that same day, noting that the Treasury will be exploring ways to buy more BTC. Bitcoin may surpass $250,000 by the end of the year. According to crypto exchange BitUnix analysts, BTC's daily chart previously broke above a descending trendline, jumping to $124,500 before retreating. The price currently stands above $119,000. That said, $116,300 stands as the daily bull-bear pivot. Per heat maps, $119,625 is a magnet level, with upper supply concentrated at $124,600 to $126,800. The analysts argue. Under policy noise, the market remains in range trading mode. They continue, in the short term, sustained acceptance above $119,625 could open tests of the $120,800 and $124,600 liquidation zones. Repeated rejection may shift the focus back toward $117,900 and $115,000. Per Kyle Chassé, founder of MV Global, BTC's recent rally is a testament to its evolving role in the global financial landscape and recent legislative developments. It has moved beyond a speculative asset, with record-high global debt and mounting pressure on fiat currencies. This trend is amplified by its powerful network effect, which is fundamentally absent from traditional assets. As prominent institutions and figures invest, their financial stake is tied to Bitcoin's success, turning them into natural advocates who drive a self-reinforcing cycle of education and adoption. The founder says, and continues, regulatory clarity has also added to the tailwinds, with more institutional capital flowing in, much of which was missing last cycle. The demand is here, and I expect to see Bitcoin surpass $250,000 by the end of the year. Kyle Chassé, head of investment at Xapo Bank, commented on institutional demand, saying that it remains present, as shown by the broader trends, and despite specific daily ETF flow data varying by source. Digital asset investment products have seen significant activity throughout 2025, with year-to-date flows remaining strong compared to the same period in 2024. Chassé writes, levels and events to watch next. At the time of writing on Thursday morning, BTC trades at $119,043. The charts show a clear drop from the intraday high of $121,967 to the intraday low of $117,603. Despite falling to the $117,000 level several times throughout the day, the price did manage to break through $118,000 and $119,000, recuperating in this range and holding it for now. While the price may drop further to the $116,600 territory, followed by $115,000, it may conversely climb back over $120,000 in an attempt to reach its latest all-time high of $124,128, followed by $124,600. Ethereum is currently trading at $4,647. It started the day at the low of $4,761, relatively close to its previous ADH of $4,878. However, it then retreated to the intraday low of $4,462, before recuperating to the current level. Overall, ETH is still holding steady on the 7-day and 1-month horizon, having appreciated 19% and 48% in these timeframes, respectively. Analysts predict that the coin will keep pushing higher, soon surpassing the November 2021 ADH. Furthermore, crypto exchange Coinbase argues that we may see a full-blown altcoin season soon, particularly with the rising institutional demand for Ethereum. They noted a potential for a broader rally as September nears, with ETH set to benefit from it significantly. Meanwhile, the crypto market sentiment has re-entered the neutral zone. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index recorded a sharp decline from 68 yesterday to 59 today. This suggests rising caution among investors as they await further signals, pointing to the direction the market will take. Furthermore, the US BTC spot exchange-traded funds, ETFs, continued the inflow streak. Thursday saw positive flows of $230.93 million, bringing the total to $54.99 billion. Only BlackRock and Grayscale saw positive flows of $523.74 million and $7.32 million, respectively. However, 4 funds noted outflows, 2 of which, ARK$21 shares and Fidelity, between $113,000 and $150,000 each. On the same day, the US ETH ETFs took in $639.61 million. The cumulative total net inflow has now reached $12.73 billion. As of August 14th, 4 of the 9 ETFs recorded flows, all of them positive. The highest among these is BlackRock's $519.68 million, followed by Grayscale's $60.73 million. Meanwhile, the